Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add currency to your Xero account. This is particularly useful if you're doing business internationally or need to track transactions in multiple currencies. Let's jump right in and get this set up for you. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This will bring you to the main interface where you can manage all your accounting needs. Now that you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. This section houses all your core accounting tools and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Accounting Settings. This is where you'll find the configuration options that control how Xero handles your financial data. Once you're in the Accounting Settings area, look for the option labeled Currencies and click on it. This page is specifically designed to manage all currency-related settings for your account. Here you can view which currencies you're currently using and add new ones as needed. On the currency page, you'll see a button that says Add Currency. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to expanding your currency options within Xero. A small Add Currency window will appear on your screen. From here, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available currencies. Browse through the list and select the currency you wish to add to your account. Xero supports a wide range of international currencies, so you should be able to find what you need. Once you've selected your desired currency, you'll see the current Forex rate displayed compared to USD. This gives you an immediate reference point for exchange rates. When you're satisfied with your selection, click the Add Currency button to finalize the addition. And that's it. You've successfully added a new currency to your Xero account, which means you can now process transactions and generate reports in that currency. This flexibility is essential for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.